Been getting a lot of questions about how to actually use some of the functions within Excel to help people build the CSV file with your data feed. So what I want to do is I want to just show you quickly how to use a couple of the functions in Excel to actually help you take the data from the affiliate feed and turn it into some HTML, so you can actually then drop that straight into the post when you plug it into WordPress. So what I'm going to do is, the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to build the image source. I'm going to assume that you know a little bit about HTML, but if you don't, I'm sure you'll be able to figure this out. Basically what we're going to do over this small space here, we're going to basically break down the image tag into 3 component parts, and you've basically got the starting point, which, if you know a little bit about HTML, is going to be that. That's it. That's all you put in column A. In column B, you're going to cut and paste the image link that you get from your affiliate program. And I'm just going to plug one in here. So let's just make one up. myimage.com or yimage.com even. Let's go back, change that. www. And that's in there. And then in the third column, we're going to basically just close the tag off. So it's simply like that. Now if you want to be clever in here, you can put in a title equals my image, or you can get even cleverer and you can start doing all kinds of different things. You can put your alt tags in here. You could even join in secondary fields. You can do whatever you like, really. The idea though is just to give you an example of what we can do with this. Now basically in column D is where we're actually going to build the formula. So if you go up to your function button and click the drop down, you'll basically get a selection. You want to select more functions. Within more functions, it'll say insert function. Now this is normally my regularly used. If you can't find it, basically just type it in there as CONCATENATE, and it'll basically do what we want. It says down here, join several text strings into one text string. So we click OK. That's now opened up the function box, and what we're basically going to do is we're going to add A1 to B1 to C1. So we select in text 1 A1, then we click in text 2 and we select B1, and then we select text 3 and we select in C1. So now if we click OK, in column D now you have your image HTML that you can now use as part of your post. Obviously you'll need to add other elements to it, because the post can only take one, will need to take all your HTML, so it will need to take the image, you'll need to plug in the description and any links, but this now gives you some kind of idea of how you can use this. Now the other thing to remember is that this is now a function. If we look up here, that's a function. So if you was to cut and paste this into anything, you're basically going to be stuck because it's not going to pull in the text. So what we then need to do is, once we've done this, you would then right click on it, copy, right click on the box, paste special, and we paste in the values. Now if you look in there, you've basically got what you need. Let's just undo that for a moment and go back to how it was. Now it's in it. Now it's back to your image. The other thing to bear in mind is that you're going to have hundreds, if not thousands of records. So you're going to have this, and this is going to be your different images. So it's going to be my image 1, my image 2. The beauty is with the formula is all you have to do is drag it down. So within a very short period of time you can build thousands of links. Once you've figured out how this thing works and how you can manipulate Excel to build the links, the posts, and all the different elements that you need, that could take a little while, that could take a few hours, but once you've done it, you'll find that it will become quicker and quicker, and also that once you've done this once, this is going to save you an inordinate amount of time. I can't imagine having to sit and post something 2,000 times. So hopefully this little video will just give you an idea of the power of Excel and how you can use Excel to help you build your CSV file.